Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a weight measurement into the WITHINGS app for WITHINGS BPM Core. To add your weight measurements for better optimization of the readings, so it better tells you whether your blood pressure and ECG and everything is normal, then you should go to weight and click on this button right here, then click on plus, and now enter your weight right here, your current weight. So let's do that. You can also enter fat mass if you have a scale that measures your fat mass, and then you could click on save. You can also add the date and comments, and you can see it is there. So now it shows on the graph. Of course I just have like one day here, so it's not really that visible, right, because I just done it on the same day, but that's basically how it works. The average trend will be shown, month, quarter, semester or year, and that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.